Hey, what's up, Boxers? This is Zack with Buildbox. I got another quick short tutorial for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a little reward present so that when your character or when your player goes to the game over UI, you can give them a little present of like 10 coins or something like that that rewards them for playing your game, and you can have it come like every three times they are defeated, so it's like an interval of 3. Okay, it's super easy, so I'm going to just show you how to do this right now in just a few quick steps using Buildbox. So let me show you how to do this. Okay, so the thing I'm going to need right now for this, the first thing I'm going to need is I'm going to need a coin reward image and then an actual coin reward. And it doesn't really matter what the coin reward is because it's more of like just going to be an action type that's going to be filler. All right, so let me show you how to do this. So first I'm going to drag this in as an action type. Okay, and then I'm going to delete that action type because I do not need it. And then I'm going to go over here to my actions, and then I'm going to change this so that it is a coin type, and then I'm going to make sure that the coin rewards are 10, and I'm not going to worry about showing the reward, and there's no animation, and we're good. Okay, cool. So now that that's set up, I'm going to go over here to my mind map. I'm going to go to my game over UI, and then I'm going to put in a little 10 coin reward as a purchase button. Okay, it's got to be a purchase button. All right, so I'm going to just put this right about here, and let's see here. I'll probably shrink this down just a little bit. Okay, now here is how you set this up. Okay, so over here you've got your image for it. That's good. You want to have stick to edge there. That's good too. You want to change the action selection to coin reward so that when the person purchases this, and they're going to get it for free, so they're not really purchasing it, but you know, that's how it's set up. So they're going to get this 10 coin reward. All right, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set it up so that it only comes up every 2 times the character is defeated. So only every 2 times that you enter the game over UI or the player enters the game over UI, that's when you're going to be able to see the coin reward. Okay, so it's only gonna pop up to whatever interval that you specifically choose and you set it up for. Okay, now the next thing you want to do is you want to click buy and use. All right, and then I'm going to keep the purchase method free, and then I'm going to change the one-time purchase to one-time purchase. You got to take it off default. Okay, that's key. That's actually the trick. I was going over this live before, and I was trying it out, and I knew I was missing something, and that was it. It was the one-time purchase button. It just had to switch it over from default to one-time purchase. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and include a label so that we can see what's actually going on here. I'm going to change the function to score. I'm going to change the world type to all. I'll change it to coins since we're collecting coins here. And I'll do total coins, alignment center, center, and stick to edge. Sweet. Okay, cool. Now let's go ahead and let's make sure I've got this all dialed in one more time. All right, looking good. All right, let's go ahead and play this. Let's see it. So I'm going to drag this over here, make this a little bit smaller so we can all see. Okay, everybody can see, great. So character is playing the game, or player is playing the game. Character is defeated. Okay, there is the first interval. You click it, you get 10 coins, and then you try clicking it again and it disappears. Okay, now let's go ahead and let's see it. We're going to be defeated 2 more times. Okay, so there's 1, and it doesn't pop up. It's not showing up because I have the interval set to 2. Okay, and then I'm going to restart one more time, and then once I'm defeated on this one, then I'm going to see the present again. And then there you go. You get 20, you get 10 coins, you gift them to your player, like saying, hey, thank you for playing, here's a little present for you. And then you can't click on it again until they go through it 2 more times, or whatever interval that you want to set it up for. Okay, so that's how you set up a quick coin reward, just like that, a little present for your player. All right, everybody. Hope you liked this. I hope you thought this video was useful. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, then please like this video and subscribe to our channel. All right, Boxers, I'll see you later. Oh, by the way, doing a live Q&A here in like 1 hour. All right, so I'll see you in an hour. See you guys.
Like and subscribe.